A worked example is a step-by-step breakdown of how to solve a problem or complete a task. Using worked examples are a common teaching strategy used to guide students through new concepts and develop their problem-solving skills. It's not just about finding the right answer, it's about understanding the journey to get there. And though there are many approaches to using worked examples in the classroom, the following 3 steps tend to work rather well. Step 1. The teacher clearly presents the problem the students need to solve. For example, imagine a teacher presenting a complex mathematical equation or a challenging science question. Step 2. The teacher walks through each step required to solve the problem, explaining their thinking as they go. For example, instead of leaving students to tackle it alone, the worked example approach begins with a clear presentation of the problem at hand, setting the stage for a collaborative journey towards the solution. This process might involve using diagrams, formulas, or other visual aids. Step 3. The teacher arrives at the final answer, demonstrating what success looks like. For example, the teacher methodically deconstructs the problem. Each step unfolds with precision as they articulate their thought process, often supplemented by diagrams or visual aids. This isn't just a demonstration, it's an invitation to think critically and engage with the material on a deeper level. As the teacher unveils the final answer, students witness what success embodies. It's not just about the destination, but the path taken, each decision and calculation laid bare for students to emulate and learn from. This approach isn't just efficient, it's transformative. It reduces cognitive load, making daunting concepts approachable. Students no longer just see the solution, they understand the why and how behind it, which is instrumental in honing their problem-solving skills. But how do we maximize the potential of worked examples? By not skipping the explanation, making the learning process interactive, and varying the difficulty of the problems. Remember, the goal is to build a bridge to independent problem-solving, not to create a dependency on the examples. Worked examples are more than just a teaching strategy. They are a beacon of clarity in the often murky waters of learning new concepts. By breaking down problems and illuminating the path to solutions, they empower students to not just learn, but to understand and apply knowledge with confidence. Overall, worked examples are a powerful tool for teachers to enhance learning and improve student outcomes. By providing a clear roadmap for solving problems, they can help students develop the skills they need to succeed.